my channel Phenomenal Seller on 2019. That time we start our office also for Seafarer only. The name of the office is Sagar Seafarer Consultancy. And because of some reason we discontinue our channel. So now I want to continue my channel and spread some knowledge of the merchant navy and what we do at our office for the documentation work for the merchant navy. And I decide to make platform where I have to share my knowledge. Too many comments I receive, and also I give live successful story who consult from us from start to end to get job in the merchant navy. Also I share my own selling experience with you. So we are not agent. Our team will help you for the documentation only. And I share my videos on YouTube and Instagram.